Welcome to a place where you can learn about some amazing animals, including birds of prey, both large and small. You can learn about snakes, other reptiles, and even skunks. You could learn about Florida's local environment on one of the many nature trails that's all throughout the property. Or you can visit the state-of-the-art planetarium and see the stars any time of the day. The Calusa Nature Center on Ortiz in Fort Myers, Florida. Come join us. The mission of the Calusa Nature Center is to develop a greater public awareness of and appreciation for the unique natural systems of Southwest Florida and to foster an understanding of Earth and space sciences. Being a nonprofit organization, the Calusa Nature Center is able to accomplish its mission through the help of some very dedicated volunteers. Norm DeWolf has been volunteering at the center for almost 15 years. He's one of their seasoned trail guides.
People are always interested, and many of them are from other states, so they don't really understand what the trees and the plants and the animals and birds are like in Florida, so we try to explain that. And, I moved down from Connecticut, and I was used to all the birds up there. Down here I found out I had to start another list to get a lot of other different birds and things too. But it's a great place to come. It's always fun. Always something new to see.
Along with a dedicated museum, 3 nature trails, a planetarium, and butterfly and bird aviaries, the Calusa Nature Center also includes 105 acres of natural habitat for learning and exploration. The majority of the animals that are housed here are rescue animals that have been injured. These animals could not survive on their own in the wild. At the center, these animals are taken care of by a dedicated staff who lovingly feeds them and cares for them on a daily basis. In the planetarium, people can learn about the stars and the constellations. They can learn about the Earth's place within the solar system and our place as humans on the Earth. By taking on the task of educating people about our environment, the Calusa Nature Center is also creating a sense of awareness about the issues that affect Southwest Florida. The center also helps people to find their sense of place as far as where they fit in within the environment and what they can do to help the environment last for future generations. So take some time to visit the Calusa Nature Center today, where you can interact with and learn about some cool animals, the environment of Southwest Florida, and the Earth's place within the heavens.